Hazrat Malik bin Abu Amir has reported from Hazrat Talha bin Ubaidullah radiyallahu anhu. A disheveled-haired Bedouin Arab came to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and submitted, "O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, tell me how many prayers Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has enjoined me." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam replied, "5 time prayer except the one you perform willingly." He again submitted, "Tell me how many fasts Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has enjoined me." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam replied, "The fasting in the month of Ramadan, and what you do with the pleasure of your heart." He then submitted, "Tell me what rate of the poor due Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has enjoined me." The transmitter says Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam then told him the essentials of Islam. He thereupon submitted, "By him who has conferred dignity on you, I will neither increase nor diminish what Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has prescribed for me." Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon said, "If he has spoken the truth, he has been successful, or he has entered paradise." Some people say that 2 camels will be paid for 120 camels. There will be nothing on him if he intentionally kills one of them, or presents it to anyone, or devises some other way to exempt himself from paying poor due. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 6956.